Checking out this KeySmart. This is their Flex key holder. So I'm going to pull it off of the card here that it's on, that it ships with, and we'll see that the holder itself is made out of a flexible material. And the way this works is you can use a penny or a screwdriver to unscrew both of these screws, and as you see, there's the key ring module there for a lanyard or something, and then you've got all these little fiber wafers, and those fiber wafers are washers, and they will help fill. So you'll put a key here, and then a wafer on this side, and then a key here, and a wafer on this side, and then a key here, and you'll alternate wafers and keys, and what you'll end up with is almost like a pocket knife that opens up, except instead of having blades and screwdrivers and tools, you've got all your different keys. Now, of course, you could put some other stuff in here, and a lot of people play with these and have a lot of fun creating their own custom key tool. This is from KeySmart. I want to thank them for sending us this one to check out. Hope this helps.